Bing, the search engine created by Microsoft, has been growing in popularity. In August of 2017, a tweet from Microsoft revealed that 33% of searches in the United States come from Bing, followed by 23% in the UK and 26% in Taiwan. While it may not replace Google anytime soon, one place that Bing really shines is its video search function. Unlike other video sites, Bing shows you results from all over the web, including YouTube, Vimeo, Amazon Video, and news outlets like CNN and ABC. To use it, go to bing.com and click on Videos. If you're looking for a video on a specific topic, you can enter it into the search bar at the top of the page. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear with suggestions related to your query. This feature is a great way to discover similar videos that you may also be interested in. Once you've entered a search term, a bar across the top of the page displays even more similar topics. Within the search page, you can narrow your results by clicking on Filter in the upper right corner. This gives you the option to filter based on length, date, resolution, source, and price. You can also change the safe search settings to strict, moderate, or turn it off completely. This is a very handy feature if you have kids and don't want them seeing inappropriate content. If you just want to browse, there are a lot of categories to choose from. Under Trending, you'll find music videos, viral videos, TV shows, and movie trailers. Next to each category is a list of additional videos that you can click on to view more. This is a great way to see which videos are popular on the internet right now. It may also introduce you to some that you may not have seen otherwise. A useful feature that sets Bing apart from other search sites is the ability to preview a video without actually clicking on it. Just hover over a video with your mouse and the thumbnail will play a clip of it, including the sound, so that you can see if it's what you're looking for. Not all videos will have a preview available, including ones that you have to pay to watch. You can tell which ones have to be purchased by the $ next to the title. If you have a Microsoft account, you can bookmark videos that you want to watch again later by clicking Save under the video's title. Anything you save can be accessed on all your devices as long as you're signed into your account, including your computer, mobile phone, or tablet. Just go to My Saves at the top of the page to see a list of everything you've bookmarked. From here, you can create collections for different topics you're interested in. On the left side of the page, click on New to add a new collection. To add videos, click on Manage, then select the ones you want and click on Move to. Choose a collection and click Move. Music videos are a big part of Bing's collection. You can find songs by almost any artist, and clicking on a specific track or musician brings up a list of their top songs, albums, and videos. It also shows you a list of similar artists you may like, which can help you discover new music. Another new feature on Bing Videos is the feed function. It shows you a tailored list of videos you may like based on your browsing habits and things you've saved in the past. For instance, if you watch or save a lot of videos on cooking, it will suggest other similar topics you may be interested in. You can click See More next to any category to expand the list of videos. The more videos you save, the more personalized your feed will become. Bing also has a large collection of movie trailers for films that are in theaters or coming out soon. You can find them at the bottom of the trending page. Selecting a movie gives you a list of all available trailers. You can also look for television shows to stream. When you click on a show, it displays the synopsis, a list of seasons and episodes, and links to the official website and IMDb entry. Many shows require a paid membership to a streaming service, but Bing is a helpful tool for finding out if a show is on Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime. It can also help you find sites where you can rent or purchase episodes. If you watch videos from a lot of different sources, take Bing for a test drive and see how it compares to the sites you already use. It can be a great resource to help you find your favorite videos all in one place.